Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to change your clock settings on your new JL, because daylight savings time is coming up and you're all going to want to know what to do. Now, if you already have yours set for the GPS setting, then you don't have to do anything. It's going to change automatically. But for those of you that don't always want it on the GPS setting, here's what you do. First thing, make sure your car is on, obviously. How many outtakes are you going to have for this 2-minute video?
She just called the Jeep a car again.
Is this recording?
Yes.
Oh.
Alright, take 6.
Okay. Your first step, make sure your Jeep is on completely, or turn it on with the push button. Not just accessory, you want it in run mode. Step 2, all you have to do is tap the clock. It's just that simple. Do you want to adjust your clock settings? I sure do. Now, ours is set to GPS, which means that it will automatically change according to the GPS time. But you may not want that, so you uncheck that box. Now you are free to change the clock to whatever time you need, whether it's spring daylight savings or fall. Next, if you want to switch the time format from regular time to military time, it's just a check of the box. You can also change it from AM to PM with just a check of the box, but as you can see, when you are in military time, AM is not an option. But regular time, you can switch it over. If you don't like seeing the time up here in the status bar, all you have to do is uncheck that box, and it's gone. You have a nice clean screen. So, as you can see, with just a push of some buttons, you can manually change your clock and date at your leisure. Now, what if in your settings, you don't have the time up here? So let's just say it was already gone. Can I click up here anyways and adjust the clock settings? I cannot. But there's still another way to do it. And I'm sure you know, you go into your controls. Then you tap settings. Look right there. Tap clock. And here you go. Your options are right here. And I'm going to put it back in my status bar because we like to see the time all the time. Well, there you have it. A quickie 5-minute video on how to change your Jeep clock in the new JL. I hope you have already subscribed to our channel. If not, please subscribe. Please like and share this video. And make sure you comment below.